Do you want to know how to buy crypto with Google Pay? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have quite a few videos about different ways to earn crypto, and many viewers have asked me about how to use Google Pay to buy crypto because it can just be so easy and convenient. It is something more and more people have access to. And there is not a lot of options like that, but I have come across one that does offer it. Recently, one of my favorite crypto apps for beginners has introduced this as an option. So in this video, I will show you how you can use the Crypto.com app to very easily and fast buy crypto with Google Pay. So just in case you're not aware, of course, to be able to buy crypto with Google Pay, you do need a Google Pay account, and you can download the app for both Android and iOS devices. It's super easy and fast to set up, and you can then, for example, connect it with your bank account. Personally, I love having this as another option because in some shops I have found that they don't actually offer you to pay with a card sometimes, and then you have Google Pay if you forget your card. And even online you can often pay with Google Pay, and you don't have to then sit and type in your card number and all these things. And also when traveling, I found that there are many shops in certain countries that do not allow you to pay with card, but they take Google Pay. So it's really convenient in many ways. And then now you can also actually buy crypto with it, as I'll show. So let me log into the Crypto.com app so then I can show you how easy it is. I am now logged into the Crypto.com app, and I have quite a few videos about this because it is a really user-friendly app in my opinion. And whether you then have quite a bit of experience and you just want to have wallets for different cryptos, or whether you're a complete beginner, it offers some great options. I also have a full tutorial where I show more about all the features. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. This video I will focus on the aspect of using Google Pay to buy crypto, and you can buy basically any crypto, or you can buy a lot of different cryptos. Of course not any crypto, because there's like thousands of cryptos and many of them are really not worth buying anyway. But you can buy basically all the big and famous cryptos here. So how to then do that? Well, now I'm logged into the Crypto.com app, and you can see there's different options here. And you can of course deposit. That's if you want to deposit into your Crypto.com account, so you can spend cash from there. You can deposit, for example, from a bank or with a credit card. But if you want to use Google Pay, just first you need to download Google Pay, the app, have it on your phone. Once you just have it there, then it's kind of automatically, it knows that you have it, so you can just easily use it. So I just need to then click to buy. I would need to choose the crypto I want to buy. So, for example, in this case, I would choose Bitcoin, but you can see all the ones that it has here. It has a lot of different options there. You can also search if the specific one you want to check if they have, you can use the search field there. But I will just choose Bitcoin now there. And then you can see here, I need to choose how much I want to buy. And what I really like here is that in the many apps or websites where I've seen where you want to buy, you have to choose the amount of crypto, but that can be difficult, like how much is it exactly, but it shows very clearly how much it is. But you can also click this one here, and you see, then instead I could, for example, set the exact amount. Like even, you can buy for very small amounts if you want to. It doesn't have to be hundreds of dollars. And again, I just want to make completely clear, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you which cryptos to buy. I'm just showing you how to buy it because a lot of people have asked me about that. So what you need to buy, I cannot advise about that. So I just want to make that clear because often people ask me about that. But anyways, I like that it's so easy, so I could just choose $10 there. You can see exactly how much that would be worth. Then you have the option here to choose one-time buy, or you can see, you can also set the target price. This definitely has an advantage. I love that I made it this easy inside the Crypto.com app, that you can both sell and buy at a target price, which means that it makes it easy to make profit if you want to trade crypto, because you don't have to sit and keep an eye on it, like, oh, now it has increased by 10%, now I want to sell, whatever. You can just set it, now it buys. If it goes down to that, I want to buy, or if it goes up to that, I want to sell. It's really cool. And for many cryptos, you can also do this recurring buys, meaning like DCA, dollar cost averaging. So you just set it, for example, to buy for, it could be $10, it could be $100, it can be whatever, like every day, every week, every other week, every month. That's up to you. Like that's a whole strategy in itself. Many people say that over time that will give you the best overall buy-in price, but these are just the options. I like to have all those, then you can decide yourself. But for this one, you see, I'll just choose one-time buy, and then down here I have the different options. I can choose cash or crypto, so I can also spend other cryptos I have in my wallet in here to buy this crypto if I want to, but in this case I just want cash. And then I have options. I have my Euro wallet, but sometimes, you know, the currency, that depends on the country you live in. This is because I have loaded my account here with money or sold crypto. That's how you will have money here. Exchange it into Euro, US dollars, whatever you have. So I could buy with that. Or as you can see, Google Pay. Now here I have chosen that. So you can choose Google Pay, and this is how you do. Then now it's chosen. It is highlighted, as you can see here. All I then need to do is here to click to buy. Then you get an overview here of the amount you want to buy, the exact exchange rate that will go up and down. Of course, that is how it is with crypto. And then there's a fee. This is of course also important to be aware of. There is a fee when you use Google Pay to pay with. That's the same for basically any place when you buy, also with cards or something like that. Then you will have a fee, and that's just how it is. But that's why, for example, if you load your Crypto.com wallet with from your money from your bank, then there is not a fee, so that can be something to consider. But that's just, you know, that's just how it is. This is super fast. You don't have to wait for the bank and all that. You can see it just only waits for a certain amount of seconds. Then you need to update the price, and then it's valid. But anyways, I would need to then click the big confirm button there, and then I just need to verify my identity. And then it just gives me a quick summary and says like my payment method there, that's through Google Pay there, and the total amount there I would get for $10, but there's a small fee as mentioned there. And then I would need to click to continue. And you can see then I get a message. I just bought for $10 worth of Bitcoin, and that can be, you know, a small amount, as you can see, or you can buy for more if you want. I didn't want to buy too much now right now because I have money in there. I have a different strategy. This is just to show you how it's done. But now I have this money here in my wallet on the Crypto.com wallet here, or my Crypto.com app. And that means now you can hold the crypto you have and wait for it to increase in price. You can hold it for years if you want to. That's up to you. If you want to sell it at some point, yes, you just need to go here to the sell button there. You can choose the crypto you want to sell. And then you would of course just choose the crypto. It's the same way. You just choose the amount you want to sell. You can set a target price. That's what I mentioned. If you are in it for trading, then you can do this right away. You can say like, okay, when it's increased with a certain percentage, then you want to sell. I have a whole tutorial where I show how to do that automatically. I will leave a link in the top corner also, so you can check that out. But that's how easy it is now. I love that I've introduced this Google Pay as an extra method in addition to the other ways you can buy crypto and sell and other benefits like the Crypto.com app has already. So as you can see, if you're using the Crypto.com app, it is super easy to buy and sell crypto. I love that they keep improving it. It's recently, as of recording this video anyways, that they have introduced Google Pay as an option. They already had like bank transfer, you could pay with credit card, debit card, all these things. And I love they make it easier and easier. And just being able to use Google Pay also, it's just a great option. And if you're not yet a member of Crypto.com, you can get a $25 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link with an invitation code. I will leave mine below there. You will then potentially get that bonus if you decide to get one of the Crypto.com Visa cards. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and gave you a good idea about how to buy crypto with Google Pay. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.